Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Compass versus the Skoda Kushaq. Let's dive into their core differences, starting with performance. The Compass typically features a powerful 2.0-liter diesel engine, offering strong performance and off-road prowess. In contrast, the Kushaq provides efficient 1.0-liter and 1.5-liter turbo petrol engines, making it a nimble choice for city driving and fuel efficiency. Moving inside, both SUVs offer comfortable cabins, but with different philosophies. The Jeep Compass often boasts a more premium feel with a larger touchscreen and advanced driver assistance systems. The Skoda Kushaq, while modern, emphasizes practicality and user-friendly features. Both prioritize safety, including multiple airbags and stability control, ensuring peace of mind on the road. When it comes to size and practicality, there are clear distinctions. The Jeep Compass is typically the larger vehicle, translating to more interior room and a generally more commanding road presence. The Skoda Kushaq, being more compact, excels in urban maneuverability and parking. Both offer practical boot spaces, with the Compass often having a slightly larger capacity for longer trips. Finally, let's consider value. The Jeep Compass generally sits at a higher price point, reflecting its premium positioning, powerful engine options, and off-road capabilities. The Skoda Kushaq offers excellent value within its segment, providing modern features, efficient engines, and a comfortable ride at a more accessible price. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize ruggedness or urban agility and budget.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.